Welcome back to JC Motor Garage. So the last video, my Jeep, I put on the cowl protectors in the front, and I went to do the new spare tire bracket that I bought, and it didn't fit. So I had to actually get it cut 1.5 inches off of this so I could actually get this fit right. So the bolts fit right and it fits all the way in. So we're gonna finish this. So we're gonna take off the license plate bracket, the rear view camera, we're going to take out the light, we're going to take this out so we can get in here, and we're going to wire it back. We're going to wire it through here just like this, and then we're going to come back through here where the wiring comes out right through this part right here. So in a minute I'll show you where we're going to wire it, but let's get this off, and then get the license plate off, license plate bracket off, and then we'll rewire this. So we got this done, and we actually got a bracket for that, so we're gonna go get that after we get done. We'll get those two little plastic metal pieces out, and then it fits in there, so we can actually put this back now. But this is actually the power cable for your rear view camera, so we're gonna push this up through here, and then right in here, and it's kind of sunny, but we have this ran right here, so we can actually pull this back through here and get this pulled out here. Let's see here, we can get a better angle. There we go. All right, so let's pull this underneath here. Let's get this out. All right, so I actually got it ran right through there. So let's pull this up so then we can rewire this. Okay, so there you go. Got the end now. So that's good. And this is for your hard top, and then this is your window squirters for your hard top. So we'll push this all back down over here like this. Get that pushed back there. All right, so we did that. All right, so now we come back over here, and we can. Here we go. All right, there we go. So let's get this light put back in here like this. Yeah, just like that. So we can push this back into place here, and then we can put the screws back in. So we can get that done. So let's put the screws back in here, and then put the license plate on here. So get that done. So there you go. I got a few screws to put in here. That one, we have four screws here. So put in right here. Okay, so we got our 4 screws in now. So we can pop these out of place and then put our little thing, but we want to clean this up real good. So we're going to get this cleaned up before we put that on there. But, all right. Now we got to figure out how we're going to wire this now. How we're going to get this over here. Hold this up. so we got that now. So now we're just gonna have to figure out from here and wiring it from there and then coming out over here. So I don't know if we're gonna have to come back to over there to where we came through, come back here, and then come out straight this way so it can come out here. That's probably what we're gonna have to do, and then run it this way, and then we'll run it right through there. You can see where the cable is for the brake right there. That's where it's gonna have to come out, and then it's gonna have to come through here and then back to here. So let's do that real quick, and I'll get that rewired and I'll be right back. All right, so I got the license plate bracket on and I got it bolted up and I got my license plate on, but the problem I'm having is I still got to put that on. So I still got to take these little pieces out here and then put my piece in here. But if you look inside here, that my rear view camera is set on the driver's side here. So I'm gonna have to fix it and rewire it all the way on the passenger side, so it will come right through here, and then I can run it through right here to here, and then run along this way and then through here, and then it will come right out through right there. So I'm gonna have to do that. So I'm gonna do that now, and then once I'm done, we'll wire it up. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. All right, so I had to take the panel out down there, the two panels out down there, they just pull out, and I got that done, and I got the rear view camera all set up through here, the wire back here. I got the radio out and the front bezel piece out, and I got all that done. So I had to route it up, back up through here, and then it come down through there, and I got it right through the glove box, and now it's down on the passenger side. So now I got to run it from there, and I'm gonna have to run it all the way back on the passenger side. So I'm gonna do that now and get that done, and then we'll put the radio back in and do all that, and we'll get it all buttoned back up, and we'll wire the rear view camera through the tailgate. But let's do that now, and then I'll be right back when I'm done. So let's do it. All right, so I got the wire ran all the way this way, and it's all ran to here, and I got that ran from outside here. So the rear view camera's hooked up now. It's ran through here, through there, and right out through here, right out through there. So zip tied there, and then there's the end. So this is gonna have to be wired through here and then wired to the light. And I got that done, and then this plugs in right here. So I just gotta put this panel back on right here, and then we'll be done. So let's finish it and get it done. All right, so I got that all done. I got it zip tied, I got it ran from the back. Got the plate plastic piece back on there. So now I'm gonna wire it to the light, and we're gonna hook it all up and put the radio back in. So we're gonna do that right now. All right, so let's take out the back window here. And just zip it out. And take out this back window so I can get in here. And just pull this out. I just need to do the tail light, hook that up, and we'll wire it from here. We'll go behind the subwoofer here. So just like I have the wires for the subwoofer here, so we're gonna run that, and then we'll run it up to here, and then we'll run it back there. So we'll do that. And once I get that all done, and we'll put the radio back in there, put the front bezel piece on, and we'll turn on the rear view camera, and we'll see if it's better off the spare, and besides off the driver's side side marker. So let's do that now, and then I'll be right back. I know it's a little windy out here, but I just wanted to show you. So your power wire is going to go to this one right here, your white and your blue wire. So that's your reverse light, and then you want to hook it up to the ground. So the ground is split from here to here, and then it goes into one. So one's your backup light, and then one's your stop light right here. So stop light, and then it runs right here, splice into the other one. So we'll splice it into this one, and then we'll splice it into this one, and then we'll run it back through here, and then back through this back piece here. So I'm going to do that now, and then putting this back on here, and then we'll get it finished. So let's finish it, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I got it ran back there, underneath there, and then all the way back to the back, and then I got it spliced right there. So it's going right underneath the little plastic piece here, right there. So now all I had to do is just zip tie this to this, so when it closes, it doesn't pinch it in the way. But besides that, just close that, and then we got that done, so it's all hooked up to the light. So now we're going to go inside, and we're going to put the radio back in. So let's do that now, and then we'll see if it works. So we got all these trim pieces here, so those going to go underneath there. So let's put this get in here real quick. All right, so let's put this radio back in here, put this bezel back in here, and then put the vent back in, get that all done, and then we'll try it out. So let me do that real quick, and then we'll see if it works. So let's do it. All right, so I got the radio back in. I got the top piece for the top of the radio. I got the compass hooked up. Got the vents put in. Still need to figure out why it's not doing that, but for right now, got all that done. Got all the panels back in, so we're gonna get ready and start this up. And we're gonna see the rear view camera comes on. Here we go. And we're in reverse. And there you go. This needs to be fixed just a little bit. So let's go now. So let's go back here in the back. And let's fix this just a little bit. So let's go down with this. So you can push this down just a little bit so the light comes on. So there. So that's done. I got that put in. I got the pieces taken off of there. I got my license plate delete piece put in there, so it just pops right in. That should get washed. Besides that, put the back window in. But there you go. It's got the rear view camera in. I had it set down below because right here I need to extend the light out from there, so I'm gonna do that in a separate video. We'll extend the light out from there and then come through here, and then I need to get like an LED or something to go through here so we can have the license plate light up, so I don't get pulled over. So let's see if that's better, and then we'll conclude the video. So let's put in reverse. Let's turn this down a little bit, and there you go. So it's right in the middle where you need it. So that's good. Park and reverse. There we go. So if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, like, share our channel. You can follow us on Facebook at JC Motive Garage. I'll see you next time on JC Motive Garage. Thanks for watching.